Hello, everyone. It's been a while since I did the live. Bring him in, bring him in. How's it going, everybody? It's been a while. I've been savoring my time off for the past 2 weeks. And honestly, I'm so glad I did it. Because I have this like renewed energy. Also, by the way, my face is a little bit, getting through it today because I've had a couple of procedures today. It's a lift aesthetic. I had my diamond skin today because I need the inner moisture for my skin because I am going back on tour starting this Saturday in CDO and Davao this weekend. And then sunod-sunod na siya mga ganap until June. So I am really, really looking forward for the next coming months because honestly, the past 3 months I've been, just resting, taking time to live again. So I'm really, really happy that I gave myself that time because now I'm very renewed. I am excited to hop on this tour. This weekend we will be in CDO. Superstar KTV. This April 11th. We will be in CDO. It's my first time performing there again after a very long time. And I'm happy that I'm doing it this year. What else? And then right after that, we're going to be going to Davao for my show in Davao then the following day. Namamagay yung face ko ngayon kasi nag-inject ng gamot sa face ko today. It's red and it's like, ang dami niya mga spots and everything. The OG roaster is back. I know. I'm excited for the roast. I'm also excited for my performance that night. So, ayun. When ka po babalik ng Pampanga? I am not sure. UP Fair. Yes, I will be performing in UP Fair Thursday. I think kasama ko rin sa lineup si Arizona Brandy that day. So, trust that we will be there to support my sister. But my set also on UP Fair is gonna be fire. I'm excited. As in, I know I've been MIA because she's planning it out, she's mapping it out, and also taking it in and slowing down before everything gets busy again. How about in Cebu? I will be in Cebu. Guys, kailan niya ako sa Cebu? Mas kabisado niyo yung schedule ko eh. I'll be doing a Cebu show and Bacolod show as well. I think May 23rd is Cebu. I don't know. I forgot. April 25 pala ang Cebu, guys. April 25, not May 23. Okay, taas ang kamay ng mga pupunta sa CDO. I wanna know. Lahat ng mga pupunta sa CDO, meron ba kayong mga request na pyesa or anything? Patingin ang CDO people. Wala pupunta sa CDO? Yung bahay ulit. Press 1 sa mga taga CDO na pupunta. Ang pula ng mukha ko. Hi, Andre. Si Sophia is here. Hindi taga CDO pero pupunta sa Sabado. Tama. Again, guys, this weekend I will be in CDO on April 11th, Saturday, CDO KTV Superstar KTV. I will be doing multiple numbers for you, as in, kung before 2 numbers lang ngayon. Dahil nakapagpahinga ako, ginaganahan ako sa mga shows na gagawin ko. I'm doing mostly 4 numbers or more. In CDO, in Davao, in Cebu, and in Bacolod. Kasi I don't know kailan tayo ulit magkita-kita. So, dadamihan ko yung mga performance ko sa inyo. So, make sure that you're there kasi para na kayo nanood ng 2 shows. Ganon. Kasi before, di ba, 2 numbers lang ako. This time, magpo 4 numbers tayo per city. Sa UP Fair, basta mahabang set siya. Mahabang set yung UP Fair. Sa unang pagkita. Kailan yung Bacolod? May something eh. May something. May La Union and Baguio pa. Yes, may La Union and Baguio pa po. Possible ba na above ang piyesa? All I can say is how many weeks I have. I don't also even know. I don't even know. Like, I don't count them. That's the point of doing drag. You don't count your stuff. Perform in New York City. I miss New York City. I miss New York. Yes, kabisiduhin nyo ng above para, pag pinoint ko yung mic sa inyo, makasagot kayo, makakanta kayo. Your skin is glowing. Thank you, Lift Aesthetic Clinic. Today lang maraming mga spots yung face ko and medyo nagsiswell ang aking kanoohan kasi Meron tayong inayos today. Papaganda talaga ako para sa inyo. Kimi! Parusa kasi maging fan na working abroad. Hindi naman. I'm coming soon in somewhere. Abroad. Mag-abroad ako soon. Goodness gracious. Ikaw yung nakitang nagsha-shoplift sa CCTV. Oh my God. I cannot take this anymore. My brother is a shoplifter. Yan ang hindi ko matatanggap na tawagin mo akong brother? Sister? Shoplifter? Brother! I'm gonna die. Joke. Si Girly. Goodness gracious. Okay, anyways, magkatrabaho na ako, guys. Nag-ano lang ako, nagpakita lang ako saglit kasi alam ko na miss nyo na ako. But yeah. Again, CDO this weekend on Saturday. KTV Superstar KTV. And then on Sunday in Davao naman. Okay, so I'll see you guys there. I will log off now. And I'll see you soon. Magpahinga kayong lahat, okay? Bye!